Hi, this is Paul Lewis from Puppets and Stuff Puppets. You can find us on the World Wide Web at www.puppetsandstuff.com. We're back with our puppeteer techniques. I'm going to show you the proper way to open and close a puppet's mouth. Also, I'm going to show you the wrong way to open and close a puppet's mouth. A lot of people have a misconception that when you operate a moving mouth puppet, the head flips. Proper way to do this. Opens and closes. We don't speak like this. So we want to keep it pretty natural and for the puppet as well. And that is the way to do it. Now, it's pretty tricky and it's going to take time to learn that. You're not going to learn it overnight, but with practice you will be able to do it. Okay, we'll be right back.